yes, the Chinese, even Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. This is another Living on Wheels video and I have problems at the moment. But today's video we're going to be talking about parts. Now, basically if your scooter has crashed into another electric scooter, this is a good video for you, so be on the case. So today's video we're going to be talking about parts. And now parts are the most essential part when your scooter breaks down.
Music licensing
Basically,
reimagined.
if it drops, you're screwed. But you also have the Chinese. Now basically, if you don't know already, basically everything is made in China, which means these guys can get a sniff of a bit of some drop shipping. Now basically, if you're like me, you probably took your scooter to the shop and probably look at the bill and say, that's a lot of money for a tire. Temu, eh? Let's look at Temu. Now Temu is known for some controversial stuff, but I'm gonna look up a few stuff because I'm gonna search up like Xiaomi solid tire. I can't. Oh wait.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sorted. Okay, so basically, this is basically Xiaomi solid tires. I have one. It was really expensive. So basically, this means you could get cheap crap off Temu. Now you're probably gonna think once you put it on, it's gonna blow up and expect to know. This is something called drop shipping. Now, if you don't know what drop shipping is, here's a quick picture of what drop shipping is. So basically, there's a lot of people from AliExpress, and they find out, oh, there's a Chinese company that are doing tires as well. How about we sell them for cheap on Temu? And there you go, 1959.
Music licensing reimagined.
I clicked on this link before, and it's pretty good. So now, of course, it does give you a wrench, and it gives you one tire lever. If you're doing this, I recommend 3. So now you could have 2 pieces, which basically means it's $46. It's $46 when you take it to a workshop that only has 1 tire. But if you get it with tools, it's a little bit more expensive. $49.43. Now, AliExpress has 10 times better parts than this machine right here, and this is basically stuff. And basically, if I search up parts,
Music
scooter
licensing
parts,
reimagined.
exactly. So basically, it's also coming up with obviously Pro 2 accessories. As you can see, there's a crap ton of it. Bearings, screws, dashboard. That's the story I have at the moment. A mudguard without a fender, pretty good. Brake pads, waterproof cover, battery cover. More to the story. Now, basically, all of these suckers are from AliExpress and what I call drop shipping. So you're gonna find out later in this video if you definitely be drop shipping. But if you have a little sneak peek at AliExpress here, and you should search up for. As you can see, there is 10 times more things on AliExpress. A mirror, Xiaomi electric scooter elite parts. Yes, they have. Then you got wheel bearings. Do they sell those on Temu? No. That's probably gonna blow up, so I don't recommend that. 10-inch tires. Yes, people put 10-inch tires sometimes. Wheel reflectors, tires, even more. And then you got battery protection board. They sell small crap like that and that, and a hook as well. But they also sell that on Temu. But then there's a lot of things, such as batteries. You can buy a battery. Now the thing is, if you do buy something and it's and it doesn't come like it says in the picture, don't worry. I've had the same issue. So basically, if you get a dashboard such as this one, I think I got it off this one, I basically got scammed. First of all, the pin broke. Second of all, it was a fake dashboard. And I'm not sure if it was this one, but I'm pretty sure no, it isn't. But I don't think they have a Pro 2 dashboard. That chip right there, that's an M365 dash. They don't have that on the Pro 2. So basically, sometimes you have to be a little bit careful when you buy off AliExpress. Not because they're gonna steal all your money, because they might scam you, especially third-party traders. So yeah, this is basically what you need to deal with. But mainly, this is the parts that you can get. So basically, if you're a big boy like me and you want a good controller, AliExpress. If it's small ones like screws or tires, Temu's got it. So basically, there it is. Now, I've already told you what drop shipping is, and I've already given you it. So if I search up Xiaomi scooter part again. Alright, so basically, it does have a few different things. As a dashboard, it's about $4, and we all know that's real. Obviously, you got sometimes you get a full set of that, and then you get spiral wraps, um, tubeless. You can turn your Xiaomi scooter into tubeless, just make sure they seal them, and rear axle bolts, and waterproof cover. Yes, I should have brought that. Then there's obviously more stuff such as M5 handlebar hex screws, a hook, lightweight mudguard, small things, but if it's like a motherboard, you might want to get it off AliExpress. And AliExpress copies. So it's probably drop shipping, you never know. So basically, this is how they're gonna crack you up. And that, there you go, boys. Yes, so basically, you kind of are getting the same amount, but you get it on Temu with drop shipping from AliExpress. Um, so there you go. Now, if you do have a newer e-scooter, expect parts to be over the roof. So if you break something, good luck. So basically, if you do buy a part such as well, this is my cart, so we could just go to cart. As you can see, there's probably going to be shipping. Where exactly? Oh, they don't even tell you they're shipping, eh? But Temu is a little bit fishy sometimes. Your order's supposed to be $179. Well, not $53. Do I believe it? Not really. Sometimes they also take your money as well, so you kind of have to be careful. So if you do use Temu or AliExpress, make sure you use Apple Pay or PayPal or any other very, very secure payment methods. Don't put your card details in because they probably have a backdoor to it. Now, AliExpress on the other hand, don't ask about my card, by the way. Don't ask. So basically, on AliExpress, you have to pay for shipping. But if it's over $16 or it's not a what they call a choice day or AliExpress choice item, it's obviously free. Now some things are not free shipping, but these ones are. So basically, if you have a AliExpress choice, if you spend over a crap ton of money, you can get free shipping. Now you can also get shopping credits as well on AliExpress by playing a couple of their own games, which actually is very much worth it. So thank God I didn't have to spend $18. I actually spent about $15, which was nice. So you save a little bit of money. So before you get your stuff, might want to play a little bit of Go-Go Match. Temu on the other hand, it's a bit harder to get shopping credit. You probably have to go through a bargain with customer service and pray that they give you a $5 credit. If you're lucky, you can get $35, and yes, you could spend a fortune. AliExpress, yes, they give you a couple games, you get the money. So basically, if you are a Temu customer or a die-hard Temu customer, if your order arrives late, you get $5. That will never happen because there's a lot of people saying Temu goes fast. AliExpress, I think they've changed their shipping speed by a lot after they know they had a competitor. So there you go. And basically, if your thing is delayed, you only get $2 coupon, and you get a refund if your package is lost or damaged. And there's no refund if there's no delivery in 30 days, which is awesome. So basically, AliExpress, if you don't know what AliExpress is, it's like Alibaba, but they changed it to AliExpress. So that's gonna be enough yapping. This is basically a random video I made because I'm way behind a video and I should have made it months ago. But this is basically where you want to get parts, how it works, and is it even worth it? My answer to the question is, if you have big parts such as a battery or a controller that needs replacing in your scooter, I would probably recommend AliExpress. However, if you have small parts such as a fender, tire, or any little tiny small parts, I would probably recommend Temu as well. But Temu do have a shopping money limit, and you have to spend over $35. If you want to get something, AliExpress, you could just spend up like 1 cent and I'll give you it. So yeah, that's basically gonna be about it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I have a bunch of socials currently on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Reels. I now have finally made my Instagram public after finding out I'm at a workaround, but thank you very much for watching this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye now.